Don't you wish your floors and rugs would clean themselves? They can't, but the Dreame D9 Robot Vacuum and Mop Cleaner by Dreametech can do it for you. The Dreame D9 Robot Vacuum and Mop Cleaner by Dreametech is perfect for families with kids and pets. It is a robot vacuum and mop in one. The D9 Robot Vacuum and Mop Cleaner by Dreametech has a powerful suction. It works on hardwood floors, tile, and area rugs. The strong suction power of the D9 Robot Vacuum removes hair, dust, and other particles. The dustbin can hold 570 milliliters, that's more than half a liter of debris. It provides many ways to clean. You can clean just one room or the whole house. Vacuum floors or mop them effortlessly with this smart robot. The vacuum is double-boxed in sleek, clean, white packaging. Each component is well packed and overwrapped. The Dreame D9 Robot Vacuum and Mop Cleaner by Dreametech comes with the robot vacuum base, the recharge station base, a mopping attachment, a cord, a multi-language instructional guide. The Dreame D9 Robot Vacuum and Mop Cleaner by Dreametech includes many features such as LiDAR navigation. The robot maps the room and creates a cleaning route using LiDAR navigation. It learns how to map up to 3 floors in one home. This smart vacuum doesn't need magnetic strips for no-go zones, and it doesn't get confused by odd corners or room configurations. D9 learns the layout of your home to build custom smart maps. These smart maps enable it to clean without bumping into furniture, or falling down the stairs, or going where it is not supposed to go. The advanced LiDAR navigation enables better accuracy, faster mapping while it bypasses obstacles. The Dreame D9 Robot Vacuum and Mop Cleaner is powerful. The 3000 PA of intense suction picks up dirt and messes from the surface and deep within the carpet. The Dreame D9 Robot Vacuum and Mop Cleaner works with Alexa via Smart App Control. The app remote control allows you to adjust suction power, water distribution, and check the battery level. Control the cleaning with just your voice. Once connected to Alexa, the robot immediately responds to your voice. D9 comes with virtual no-go zones and no mop zones, so you can leave your stuff where it is and the vacuum knows where to not go. The high-capacity battery enables up to 150 minutes of runtime, which is enough to clean up to 2,153 square feet on the low-power mode on charge. The long runtime on low power is so helpful for cleaning the entire house without much effort. I find it useful for a twice-a-week maintenance vacuum. It is also useful for cleaning smaller spaces such as bathrooms, entranceways, kitchens, and other high-traffic areas. The Dreame D9 Robot Vacuum and Mop Cleaner automatically returns to the charging dock when needed, ensuring it is always charged and ready to go. I set it to vacuum every day at 1 p.m. and it does it without fail. I just empty the debris catcher when it's done. It vacuums up an impressive amount of dirt I can't reach by sweeping alone. On a carpeted floor, the powerful suction reaches the deep embedded dirt and sucks it all out. And after it is finished vacuuming, I just empty the dustbin. It can cross over uneven floors from room to room, or from hardwood floors to tiles or over area rugs without assistance. It fits under furniture to clean hard-to-reach areas such as under sofas, tables, and dressers. Get all those hard-to-reach cobwebs and dust bunnies. Find the Dreame D9 Robot Vacuum and Mop Cleaner by Dreametech at the link in the description.